This is a step-by-step video on how you can deposit money on your Binance account if you are a beginner. Now, once you finish creating your Binance account, you actually find yourself in this page. But before you do this, please make sure you have already verified your account before you can actually deposit successfully. Because if you haven't verified your account, you're going to be having issues from Binance trying to deposit funds. But try as much as possible to verify your Binance account. Just click on Add Funds. Once you click on Add Funds, there are three options that you can actually use to deposit money on Binance. Now, the first option is P2P trading. Now, this is actually a good option for people living in developing countries. For example, you don't have a debit card or credit card that works on Binance. You can actually use this option by actually buying cryptocurrency from Binance P2P, trading on your local currency. If you click on it, you actually see people doing buying and selling of cryptocurrency. You have to select the country you want to transact on. But by default, any country you are logging in on Binance will take you to the P2P of that particular country. I have a video on how to do P2P trading. If you want to learn how to do P2P trading, you can check the link in the description to watch the video on how to do P2P trading. So let's go back to see other options. Now, the second option you can actually use to deposit money on Binance is using the card option, which is buy with USD. Now, depending on your country, that is what you'll be seeing there. If you are from Ghana, it will be telling you buy with Ghana cedis. Anywhere you're watching from, you'll be seeing the information there. Just click on buy with USD. It could be different thing on your end. Now, this is where you put in the amount of USDT or the amount of money you want to use to buy. You could just put in $1,000, for example. Now, once you do this, you click on add payment. Once you do, you click on pay with. Now, you click on it, there are so many options that you can actually use to pay with. You can actually pay with Skrill or with Perfect Money, or you can also use your card to pay. But any payment option you are using, you can actually see the exchange rates and different other things you can actually do here. Now, but in this case, you want to use option of card. You just click on confirm. Then you have to click on add new card. Click on it. Now, this is where you put in your card information and deposit money on Binance. This is so simple and it is easy to do. Anyone can do it. Put in your card information and make your payment. The last option there for you to deposit money on Binance is using the option of deposit crypto. For example, you have somebody that want to send crypto to you, or you have already paid someone money to give you crypto. Now you have to send it over to your Binance account. So you just click on deposit crypto. Once you do that, you select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. If you want to deposit Bitcoin, just click on BTC. If you click on BTC, you copy the Bitcoin address, which is the second option right there. This is Bitcoin address. And you copy the address and send to the person or deposit wherever you want to deposit your cryptocurrency from. But let's say, for example, you want to deposit USDT. You click on USDT. This is the one stable coin people like to use to transact on the cryptocurrency industry. So this is where you select the network you want to interact with, whether it's TRC20, which is the Tron network. You can also use Tor network, any network of your choice. Just click on anyone that makes sense to you. If it is TRC20, click on it. Then you copy the address and deposit your cryptocurrency. Now, these are the three options on how you can actually deposit money on your Binance account. Hope this video is helpful. You can drop a comment on the comment section. I will answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.